I took syringe needles from two small children at a thrift store. They had been playing underneath the stairs. There were wooden stairs, and they found needles there. And so I took them from them and put it in a cup. And then I brought a plastic container to put sharps in. And so a paramedic showed up and gave me this Afghan. I met a nurse who I really liked, and we went shopping, and I bought this teapot and some teacups, or she bought the teapot and I bought the teacups, and anyway, it was a gift, but I'm ready to release it, so I'm trying to sell it so that I can buy this clock because I love Mackenzie Childs, and Downton Abbey is nice, but I can live without it.